In this video, I will show you how to install Ubuntu in your VirtualBox from scratch. If you are a beginner or a student who wants to learn Linux but you are facing issues with installation, don't worry, I have got you covered with this simple and easy to follow guide. So our step 1 is let's download and install VirtualBox. First we need to install VirtualBox. Just go and open the Google and search for download VirtualBox for Windows. Click on the link that says download Oracle VirtualBox. Here you will see different options like Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Since we are using Windows, click on Windows host to download the file. Once the download is complete, install VirtualBox by following on-screen instructions. Step 2. Download the Ubuntu ISO image. Next we need the Ubuntu ISO file. To get it, go to ubuntu.com, click on the products, then select Ubuntu Desktop, click download Ubuntu Desktop and select Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. This version is the latest, but in this video I will be using Ubuntu 22.04 LTS because it's more stable. I will provide you download links for both versions in the description, along with the links for CentOS 6 and CentOS 7 in case you want to try them. The Ubuntu ISO file is around 4.4 GB, so depending on your internet speed, it may take some time to download. Step 3. Setting up a virtual machine. Once our download is complete, let's open VirtualBox and create a new virtual machine. Click on New to create a new virtual machine. Give your machine a name, Ubuntu VM. Select a location where you want to save this VM file. Choose the ISO image you just downloaded. If it doesn't appear, click Other and select it manually from your Downloads folder. Step 4. Configuring virtual machine. Now let's adjust some settings. Skip unattended installations. This prevents automatic setup issues. Allow 2 GB means 204 MB, 2048 MB RAM. This is the minimum requirement, by the way. Set 2 processors. It helps Ubuntu run smoothly. Create a virtual hard disk. Allocate at least 25 GB of size. Click Next and Finish to complete the setup. Step 5. Installing Ubuntu. Now that everything is set up, let's start the installation. Select your VM and click the green Start button. When the screen appears, select Try to install Ubuntu. Be patient, it may take few minutes to load. Select your language and click Continue. Choose Normal installation and proceed. Select Install Ubuntu and click Install Now. Confirm the settings and click Continue. Now it's time to choose your time zone. As mine is Karachi, so I will select it. Enter your name and passwords to create a user account. Now Ubuntu will start installing and it may take some time, so sit back and relax. Step 6. First boot and final steps. Once the installation is complete, restart your virtual machine. Enter the password you set earlier. Skip the welcome options. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Ubuntu in your VirtualBox. So now that Ubuntu is installed, let's open the terminal and run a few basic commands like ls, pwd and others as well. That's it from this tutorial. I hope this guide made the installation process very easy for you. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section and I will happy to help. See you in the next video.